Well, hello, welcome to my channel. This is my garage right here, and today I'm gonna replace this garage keypad. It seems doesn't want to work anymore. The button is too old. The button getting stuck in everything. It's like you try to close the garage, it doesn't want to do it. See? So I ordered one from Amazon. This is a universal garage door keypad. So it works with every learn button, the purple, the yellow, green, red, and orange. Work with everything. Yeah, this is a wireless garage door keypad. So you need a ladder. So since this is a wireless one, no connection, wireless. So this is what they give you right here. I choose the gray color. Just like that. A simple one, and the battery is already included. I think the battery right here, there's a 9-volt battery is already included in there. So let's follow the direction right here. So no connection. It's a universal wireless keypad. So the first thing is you can program initial pin. So just hit the star and the pound. The star and the pound until the light on the keyboard stop blinking. Hold it until the keyboard stop blinking, and then enter the 4 digit. I'm going to enter the simple one: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press the pound button. Okay. Now press and release the button on the number. Press and release, enter the button on the number of times that correspond with the garage door type. So since I have purple right here, I have to press enter 2 times. They have the number right here. Yellow learn button, you press the enter button 1 time. I got the purple learn button right here. I press the enter 2 times. Press and release 1, 2. Okay. And then exit the program. You just enter 0. Exit it. And then press and release the learn button. Okay, locate the learn button. Press the learn button. And then enter the 4 digit that you just created. I just created the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press the enter button until the garage door light flashing, or 2 clicks. 1, 2. Oh, it's flashing. See, flashing. And now, so to test it, just enter the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then enter. It's open. So it's that simple. So yep. So now I'm gonna take out the old one, and I'm gonna replace this. They provide you with the screw right here. Just take the old one and put this in, and that's it. And it have a nice cover to keep all the moisture out right here. And it costs about 20 bucks. So this is a universal wireless keyless entry garage keypad. Alright, let me show you how to take out the old one and put the new one in. So it's easy. Just flip the cover. Need the screwdriver and pull this off right here. See, there's a right underneath the battery there. There's a screw. So take the screw out. For this one, it's the same dimension, so I don't need to drill a hole or anything. I'm just take this one out and put the new one in. Simple as that. And then just pop it right there. Right there, there's another screw right here to hold it. So I don't know, it's the same size. So you put side by side right here. it's the same. So I'm going to just use the old screw. Right, pop it in. And lining up the holes. As simple as that. It's so easy. Alright, that's it. Pop this back in, and then you want to change the pin right here, the direction how to change the pin. I already changed my pin already. My pin, the initial pin I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, I changed it already. So it's about the direction right there. And make sure to put the cover down to prevent the moisture from getting in, and that's it. And that's it. This is how you change the garage door keypad. So easy. The programming is easy. To change the pin is easy, and I said this is only cost about 20 bucks. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.